Good TV.
Hey, it's Ava's first Thanksgiving, and Aunt Heather is trying to bounce her so she doesn't cry.
TV's on, so
Yeah,
good.
so she's in good shape. And everybody's here. She's like staring at it. Hey, Pumpkin! Hi!
15 minutes.
Yep, this is it. And there's Aunt Julie leaving because she was up all night after shopping.
My first Thanksgiving, yay!
And there's Grandma Carol.
I made it, I made it, I made it. Yay!
And here's the remnants from Thanksgiving here. There's Omar and Mike chilling like villains. Say bye-byes. Say bye-byes. Say bye-byes. Until next time. Until Christmas, right? In a month. Bye-byes.